Chickpea Nation. But anyway, so today we are trying organic vegan tofu vegetable dumplings, guys. I've been craving these so bad. So I just made them. I've never tasted them before. I'm not usually a tofu fan. Those look really good. They were easy to make. It was kind of cool. I felt like I was doing something. But anyway, so we're gonna taste test this. And not only am I gonna taste test this, I'm gonna have my husband, who's a pescatarian, come and taste this. And you guys are gonna get the real deal here of what it tastes like. Okay, I'm gonna have him taste it first because he's always my guinea pig anyways. All right, baby.
So to my African brothers right there, we used to go from tuition kafa to now I'm eating tofu in America.
And my little soy sauce.
Things are happening. Things are happening. Ooh, vegan tofu. Let's go.
Oh Jesus. What is the verdict, honey? It takes a second, right? With vegan food, it takes a second to kick in.
I'm trying to see if I should mukbang.
Okay, yeah, please don't.
It's really good.
What does it taste like? Have you ever tasted dumpling?
Yeah, Chinese restaurant.
Oh, you did? Oh, I've never seen you get these.
Yeah.
So what does it taste like?
Like dumplings?
It's tofu, like what does it taste?
It tastes the same thing like what I normally
Do you
get.
taste any seasoning in there? Any special things that pop out?
I taste a little, it's almost like you have crab in there, but you don't. Unless you don't. It tastes like, and I like, what do we dip it in? It's really good, seriously.
Yeah, it tastes like that crab rangoon.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, yeah, crab in there, like the rangoon from the Chinese restaurant.
I don't know, I just kind of made this right here.
That's really good stuff. Anyway, I think my job is done on this show you got going on here.
Guys, it's really good.
She didn't really pay my agent, so.
It doesn't taste like, you don't have to add any salt or anything. It's already salty.
It's really good.
It's already creamy. It's good.
It is good.
I tasted ginger.
Yeah, and I finished it.
This is how you know if you really like it. Cause
No, it's actually good.
Alright guys, there you have it. They're really good. I recommend them. If you're feeling like some dumplings and you don't want like pork, because usually they do these in pork. You just want something nice and creamy, meatless, healthier. Go for it, guys. I love this brand. I'm really actually impressed. It's called like Nasoya or something like that. I will leave the branding picture in the video somewhere. Anyways, love you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.